latest updates, subscribe to News9.
You are watching News9 Digital with me Amrita, and I am going to be talking about the Russian COVID-19 vaccine and most importantly the controversy surrounding it. There have been several developments lately in this vaccine front. So Russia has approved the COVID-19 vaccine, albeit not going through the complete human clinical trials. It is yet to complete the phase 3 clinical trials, which are considered quite important. Other than that, questions have been raised about the vaccine safety and efficacy by several scientists and researchers in the West. But according to latest reports, it's not just the researchers in the West, but also researchers, doctors, even in Russia, who have questioned the safety and efficacy of the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, just yesterday, there were reports that Gamaleya Institute's director, the institute which developed the COVID-19 vaccine, and its director resigned from the Health Ministry's Ethics Committee over the controversy surrounding the vaccine itself. And just today, there are reports which was conducted by Doctors Handbook, a survey which was conducted by Doctors Handbook, which has revealed that a significant portion of Russian medical experts do not trust the COVID-19 vaccine developed by their country's researchers themselves. So, according to the survey conducted by Doctors Handbook, it states that 52% of Russian doctors were not confident of the vaccine, while 24.5% agreed to be vaccinated. This particular data comes from the more than 3,000 participants who took part in this online survey. Now, of the 52% of Russian doctors who said that they won't be getting vaccinated using this COVID-19 vaccine, 66% cited that the reason they don't trust the vaccine is the insufficient data approving its effectiveness, and 48% said that it was developed too fast. Now, also responding to the same poll, Russia's Deputy Health Minister Oleg Salage said that it's normal for medicos not to trust the vaccine quite imminently, and that the trust may need to be earned through years of application. But he also added that a person should not confuse trust with the official assessment of safety and efficacy. This particular survey once again corroborates the concerns of the scientists and researchers across the world, who are now including the Russian experts as well, who are worried of the fact that the vaccine didn't go through the due process of development, and that the data for the first 2 clinical trial phases is still not available for the public.
Vaccine is the safest and cost-effective way to protect people. The preparation of the vaccine needs certain accepted protocols and getting clearance from the expert professional authorities in terms of the level of antibody production, its sustainability, need for any boosters, and its safety and adverse reaction early and late phase, and data has to be published in a peer-reviewed journal. Some of these gaps are there in the Russian vaccine, so we have to be cautious in this regard.
Now, other Russian doctors and Russian citizens themselves are kind of skeptic that the concerns which are being raised against the Russian COVID-19 vaccine may be driven by foreign experts' propaganda and their jealousy coming forth. All of this data being given, all of these concerns being in the forum now, it needs to be seen whether here in India the Russian COVID-19 vaccine will be welcomed or not. You can leave your opinion in the comment section down below. Also like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital.